Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another cake stick video. Yeah, hold on.
Rip off your tits.
Today I wanted to show you guys how to actually make things look bigger on your monitor without lowering the resolution. I'm gonna use my phone to show it because I don't want OBS to, go crazy while I'm doing this. Let's say that you can't really see like the song titles and everything on your monitor because even though it's, high resolution, things look way too small. And you don't want to lower the resolution and make everything look blurry. So what you're going to do here is right click, display settings, and then, obviously select your monitor by clicking on it. And then you go here, scale and layout. You click on here, 125%, and boom, look, things look way more bigger. This was the video. I know that, hold on. I know that it's not like one of those 1080p 4K videos with fucking godlike editing and shit. But this is what you're gonna get today because this is the video that I thought. So, suck my yuck.